Now we are going to get discuss about the cyclotron. So what is cyclotron? Cyclotron is an electronic device, or we can say that this is an electromagnetic device. Cyclotron is an electromagnetic device which used for the accelerating of heavy charge particle, heavy positively charged particle. Okay, so like proton, neutron and alpha particles. So cyclotron, it is an electromagnetic device, electromagnetic device, and used for accelerating of heavy charge particle, heavy charge particle like proton, neutron and alpha particles. Okay, and here to the accelerating of these heavy charge particle here produce the maximum velocity, and we will obtain the maximum energy or maximum kinetic energy. Okay, so cyclotron is an electronic or electromagnetic device which used for the acceleration of heavy charge particle like proton, neutron and alpha particle. Okay, and so on, and by it produce the maximum velocity, and it used for the obtaining of maximum kinetic energy. Okay, so let me discuss here its construction. It is like this: two strong poles like N and S, and here attach two Ds like this, okay, and it also attached by the high frequency oscillator. Okay, you can say that it is known as HFO, and which is known as high frequency oscillator, high frequency oscillator, and by this it rotates about its. So here two Ds, D1 and D2, okay, which placed between the two strong poles N and S. So its cross sectional part of this D is like this. These are the two Ds, D1 and D2. Okay, here the present charge particle in this space and also present electric field. Okay, this is the charge particle like proton. Okay, and here present magnetic field. Okay, means we can say that here where electric field present there are not magnetic field, and where the magnetic field present then we can say that there are also available some electric field. So here this is the condition where the charged particle like proton is available, and whenever it get start, so like this it start, and यहाँ से ऐसे चलना स्टार्ट करेगा, और जैसे ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के रीजन में आएगा, आपको पता है जब ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में होता है तो चार्ज पार्टिकल का पाथ एज लाइक का पैराबोलिक रहता है, लेकिन जैसे मैग्नेटिक में आता है तो उसका पाथ कैसा हो जाता है, सर्कुलर हो जाता है। तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से सर्कुलेट करेगा ऐसे, फिर ये यहाँ पर आएगा और हर बार इसकी रेडियस कुछ ना कुछ इंक्रीज करती जाती है, and finally it attain a maximum radius and come out from eject point. This is eject point. Okay, and here this charge particle come out, charge particle. Okay, so between the D's, write down, between the D's only present electric field where placed any positive charge particle like proton. Whenever it gets start, then it entered in the D's D2 and obtained some circular path like this, and again come from D2 to D1, and again its radius increases, and finally whenever it attains the maximum radius, then it come out from the exit point. Okay, ये अपने एग्जिट पॉइंट से बाहर आ जाता है मैक्सिमम रेडियस फाइंड करके. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस सिचुएशन? ओके, ये पोलैरिटी इनकी डीज की कुछ ऐसी रहती है कि यहाँ से जैसे चार्ज पार्टिकल D2 से D1 में आता है तो ये अपोजिट पोटेंशियल पर वर्क करने लगती है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल, आधे साइकिल में से, ओके, मीन्स अगर हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर ये इस तरीके से डीज का ये टर्मिनल पॉजिटिव और ये निगेटिव है, ये डीज हैं, ये D1 है और ये D2 है, तो ये t टाइम में अगर ये पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव है, सो नेक्स्ट t प्लस t/2 टाइम में ये पोलैरिटी इनकी चेंज हो जाएगी, निगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी, और डीज इसी तरीके की, ये D1 एंड D2. तो इस तरीके से इट्स पोलैरिटी विल चेंजेस इन एवरी t/2 टाइम इंटरवल. ओके, ये कुछ इस तरीके से बनाइएगा इसे, ये D1 एंड D2. तो इस तरीके से इन डीज की पोलैरिटी भी चेंज होती है. ओके, सो हियर प्रेजेंट इन द बिटवीन बोथ डीज present electric field and any charged particle get start their motion and entered from this region to D2 days, and it's attend a circular path, and every cycle, every t/2 time interval, its polarity will changes according to this diagram, and its radius b increases continuously, and finally it attend the maximum radius and come out from the exit point. So what will be its maximum radius? Let me discuss here. This maximum radius is, so it is the attend the circular path. So in this region, in this circular path region where a maximum radius is r, electrical force and centripetal force balanced by the magnetic force. So we can say that mv square by r equals to qvb. This is the maximum force, maximum magnetic force. So mv equals to r qb. So according to this, r equals to mv upon qb, and by the help of this radius we can solve time period. T equals to 2 pi r upon v. So according to this 2 pi by v, r equals to mv upon qb. So T equals to 2 pi m upon qb, and we can also solve frequency nu equals to 1 by t, frequency of the cyclotron. Nu c is equals to 2 pi m upon qb, and we can solve this qb upon 2 pi m. So this is the frequency of the cyclotron. Okay, and cyclotron used for the usage of the cyclotron, sorry, we can also solve the maximum kinetic energy by this help. Note k equals to 1 by 2 mv square, where r equals to mv by qb. So according to this, v is equals to r qb upon m. So putting this value in this equation, so k is equals to kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 m r qb upon m whole half square. So k equals to 1 by 2 m r square q square b square upon m square. So according to this, k is equals to 1 by 2 r square q square v square by tm. So this is the kinetic energy, or we can say that maximum kinetic energy whatever we obtain by the cyclotron, right? Okay, and usage of the cyclotron. Cyclotron is used for the bombarding of the charged particle, and after which produce some neutron. Okay, so it used for the bombarding of the neutron, and it used in the hospital for the diagnosis, treatment. Okay, it used in the hospital for the diagnosis and treatment, and it also used for the production of radioactive substance, radioactive elements. Okay, तो इस तरीके से साइक्लोट्रॉन के ये यूजेज हैं, और ये साइक्लोट्रॉन के थ्रू हमने रेडियस, फ्रीक्वेंसी, टाइम पीरियड एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी सॉल्व की. ओके.